The DWG file format is used by AutoCAD to store 2D and 3D design data. But how do we use such files in FreeCAD? DWG has since become a widely used standard for CAD data exchange. Working with DWG files in FreeCAD requires the installation of a converter. As you can see, if you try to open such a file, FreeCAD will give you the following error. No suitable external DWG converter has been found. The error kindly gives you guidance in where the setting is and how to solve the issue. So where do we get and how do we install the converter? Full instructions for installation and links for download can be found on the FreeCAD wiki. In a browser, just type wiki.freecad.org/freecad_and_DWG_import. You'll be sent to the FreeCAD wiki. For this video, I'm installing the LibreDWG option on the Windows operating system. You can find other converters on the wiki, but I've found the Libre solution has fared me well in the past. To install, find and follow the link and download the pre-compiled Windows binary. The link will take you to the GitHub page, where you can download what you need. I normally go for the latest version, even if it's a pre-release. Download and unzip the archive to a location on your hard drive. Here I've used FreeCAD's main directory. Once the folder is in your desired location, then you can use the path in your FreeCAD preferences. Open FreeCAD and go to the top menu, Edit Preferences. Locate the Import section and click DWG. Within you'll find a field. This is called Path to File Converter. Within you can supply the location to the converter. You are looking for a file called DWG DXF.exe. The converter will convert your DWG file to a DXF so FreeCAD can use it. Select the file, hit OK, and now you can open the DWG file and work with them in FreeCAD. Note the DXF preferences will open after selecting a DWG file. This allows you to select other options when dealing with legacy or temperamental files. This can be switched off if needed.